everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today guys, I'm really excited. It's day 6 of quarantine, I think, and losing track of time guys. So I'm really excited to be doing this look. I'm just going to be doing a normal day-to-day look for at home. It's just a suggestion, something easy to do, still covering up the marks and that sort of thing. So my skin is exceptionally dry guys. I've literally just done a scrub now. I've used the L'Oreal this Pure Clay Glow scrub just to get rid of some of the dead skin, and I'm just gonna cheat it a bit. So I'm gonna go in with my gonna start off with my ENQUIRIES, the vitamin C and hyaluronic serum. Hyaluronic acid serum, sorry. Just for the dry skin guys, it's really bad, so I need a bit of a serum as well before I go in with a primer, because usually I just jump in with a moisturizing primer or something, but I need this. My skin feels super dry. Okay, so let me know in the comments below what you guys have been up to during this quarantine time. I've obviously been filming like most other content creators. I haven't done a day 1, day 2, day 3 like most people are doing right now. I've just randomly been filming because it's different. It's kind of different topics that I was dealing with, so that's okay, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna jump in with my Essence Fresh Fit primer. Okay, just get some of this. So next I'm going to jump in with my Revlon Candid foundation. Okay, some there and there. Gonna grab this blending brush and blend. Take the mirror the side. Okay. I'm even gonna put some on my eyelids. I almost forgot guys, my lips are also a bit dry, so I'm just going to go in with this, my Beauty Lip Ritual Repairing Balm. It's by Essence. Okay, this is the Ginkgo leaf with Ginkgo leaf extract. Okay, just to soften up those lips. Next I'll be going in with my cover stick by Essence. This is a concealer. So on the nose, so on the forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. So because I don't want to have anything hectic done, I'm gonna go in with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder, and I'm gonna take a brush, not a beauty blender. Usually I would bake, but I'm just gonna go in with a little fluffy brush, okay, just to kind of sit under the eyes and forehead, etc. But I'm not gonna bake as such, so I'm gonna go in with some powder. I'll be jumping in with my Catrice bronzer. This is the SunGlow Matte Bronzing Powder. I'm gonna have a nice brush. Okay, other side. I'll do some under my jawline as well. And then also my forehead. Just like that. Then I'm gonna jump in with my, guys, please don't judge the cover break off. It is an Essence product, and the color is, I'll tell you now, it's Berry Me Up. This is the blush. I've had it for some time and it's been a favorite of mine for quite a while, and I still go back to it sometimes. Okay, then I'm gonna jump in with this nice fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go back in with my Catrice SunGlow Bronzer, and I'm just gonna do a little beam shape over my eyelid. Okay, and the other side as well, like that. Okay, then I'm also going to go down my nose just for a little bit of contouring there on the other side. There we go. Next I'm going to jump in with my brush and I'm going to brush these brow hairs. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Essence mascara. Okay. Guys, I'll be jumping back to the brows and I'm going in with my Smudge Brow Fix. I'm going to grab the same brush that I used to brush my brows and grab some of this brow wax. It's similar to the brow soap. It's really similar. Okay. I'm just gonna brush these brows again. On the other side as well. So I'll be jumping in with my Catrice highlighter. This is in the color Light Infusion. Got it open, so I'll just add some in the corners of my eyes. Right. Okay, on the bridge of my nose, on my Cupid's bow. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this fluffy brush. And go in with highlighter on the cheek, on the side as well. Okay. So I'll be going in with my Catrice Plumping glass. This is in the color Nude Sapphire. It's a nice nude color. And lastly, I'll be going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Matte Anti-Shine Fixing Spray rather. So it's not called matte, but it's anti-shine. Okay guys, so this is my stay at home quarantine makeup no makeup look. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and if you have any ideas yourself or if you've done any similar looks, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching the video guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.